Hello traders, what's going on? Thanks for tuning in today's YouTube video. My name is Darius and I'm a smart money concept trader. Guys, before I'm going to get right into this video, because we are going to make some analysis, I'm going to share with you my thoughts on the GBPUSD, the EURUSD, the GBPJPY and the USDJPY. I wanted to thank you guys for the huge engagement on my Instagram page. So yeah, the last posts have been incredible. So many people have been here viewing these posts, saving these posts, liking these posts. And today what we're going to do as well is we're going to have a look on this trade setup. So that was the one that I took today together with the inner circle. Now, just up front, guys, because I got so many questions about if I'm offering signals, what the inner circle is about. Guys, just check out over here the link in my link tree or in the description down below. I explain it over here very detailed what we're doing. And no, I'm not offering signals because signals simply don't work. I made already a video for that. Forex signals scams, point that you need to keep an eye on it. The thing is that signals do not really work because you don't understand the strategies behind it, and this is what I'm doing here. So here in the inner circle you will get in the first place educated. Okay, you will get a step-by-step guide on how to trade like me. It is some videos, but you will not get 100 videos or something like that. No, you will get only the exact information that you need. And the problem with these concepts are that you actually do not understand on how to put everything into practice, you know. So it's something which I needed to deal a lot at the beginning when I started trading smart money concepts. So it was kind of very hard until I find out on how to really do it, but I have already 3 years of experience in Forex trading, so yeah, that was definitely a big advantage for me. So no, I'm not sharing signals, but what I'm sharing are analysis markups like this, and everybody from the inner circle, when they see these analysis, they know exactly what I'm about to do. So I don't need to put there every single sell limit, because what I do is always I'm monitoring price action in order to confirm my entries, and this is what you will get educated, because if price will just go through these levels, then you know exactly how to get in the opposite direction on, or what you need to see in order to get in another short positions, you know. And this is what you will never get in signal channels, and this is the only way on how you can make really profit at the end, because just copying trades will not lead into making profit. So check out this link for the inner circle, join our Discord channel over there, and this is how it works. So this is the final link. So now I would say, guys, we're going to have a look on the trade. So these are the trades which I took already this week. So it was here the GU with 9 R's, so very incredible push up. Then this nice movement to the downside, 18.5 risk reward. Of course, I could have been holding it even longer to make a 34 risk rewards. I really missed that one. Also on the EURUSD, I shared an analysis where I explained to everybody in the inner circle that I was looking here for a short, but unfortunately I didn't catch it. I didn't monitorize it. What I did is I was just looking on GU, but yeah, you will always have these incredible opportunities on almost every single pair, you know. Now on GU, my expectation was that price will drop to the downside, so we're overall super bearish, and that's what I wanted to get involved into short positions due to what I understand is what smart money concept traders are always doing. So the biggest institutions within the market, what they're doing is just manipulating the price, and this is why they brought the price all the way to the downside, because at this phase, they cleared out everybody who thought about the price will go up long. And yes, long was good, but long was only good over there. And I thought about the price will even drop down from here potentially. But at the end, look at this, price was just manipulating here a little bit, brought the price even higher, took out people out, went up higher, and then took them again out, you know. So they're just playing these kind of things with you. And you need to understand what they really do in order to take trades like this. So this is why I have stop losses, which are super tight, because I got so many messages on Instagram. How do you do this? How you can just make such a small stop loss? I mean, look at this, only 2 pips. I mean, yes, I know it's crazy, but it's because if you understand the theory behind it and you know exactly what they did over there, then you will just take these trades because you understand them, you know. Okay, then I would say we are going to make today full breakdown analysis for the GU as well. So I'm going to start here with the weekly time frame and to show you what I see over there. Now, starting with the weekly time frame, the market is overall super bearish. So this is not a secret, everybody knows that. So yes, of course, looking for short setups are good, you know. The only thing is right now that price potentially could give us another correction to the upside, but how far will this correction be? I mean, yes, that one here was a correction as well, but not really a significant one, you know. So price could right now potentially go up here to correct till this area over here and from there to return. But yes, we got something important as well, which is this area over there, and this is a demand area on the weekly time frame, followed by another one which is over there. Now the question is, what will the price do from a higher time frame perspective? Are we going to push up from here? Are we going to push up from there even higher? Or are we going to just drop right over there to gain the whole liquidity and then to see something like that? Well, this is a very good question, and this is why I'm not a swing trader at the end, because I cannot see that far in the future, you know, it's kind of too difficult. I know exactly what the biggest institutions could do and why they would like to bring the price over there, but it's not confirmed yet. And why should I look at setups which are not confirmed yet? Okay, and that's kind of the thing right now. On the weekly time frame, we could see definitely price dropping lower as we are in a very strong momentum. This is why I'm switching right now to the daily to identify some more levels on the daily time frame. And the daily time frame looks for me super manipulated. So what I expect over there is a price will just use this box over here to just illustrate us a form of support, you know. So I think that what we will see very soon, so I'm not sure if it will go like this before doing it, but what I expect is the price will go below this area, you know, to tap into the weekly demand area a little bit more to the depth, and then to provide us with some significant movements. And what my job is as a trader is to anticipate these movements and to get involved into a trade over there, to get involved into a trade over there, and to get involved in a trade over there, you know. So I'm always trading both directions. As you can see on the GU, I traded long the day before and then I trade short the day afterwards, you know. So that's my flexibility which I need to bring as a trader, you know. That's my job. So I will not be paid by the market for taking many trades. No, I will be paid for making the right directions to anticipate them. Okay, let's go to the 4 hours. What we see here is price is still bearish, you know, so still in a bearish environment, with a potential to upside, for a correction to the upside. So I see here a big trend line, you know. So it's for me something which, yeah, I will target with a long. So I don't like to get involved into short here. So this is what the majority thought about. Okay, Darius took a short today because we've been at a trend line. No. I don't like trend lines, to be honest. So from my point of view, how it looks like is price will go more than likely like this and then go up like this. So this is my potential setup, or price will from here go up like this and then drop. And by knowing these two type of directions, my job is to get involved in one of these potential directions. And you know, the only thing which you need to know right now is just risk management, because we can try every single direction. At the end, if we have a good risk reward, we will make at least one winner, you know. So potentially we could trade this correctly and this one correctly, but that will be something very big, you know. Then the risk reward is super crazy, but it's not necessary, you know. The only thing which is necessary is to get at least one trade which will be a winner, and then we will be in profit. So that's kind of my approach, what I do with my risk management strategy. This is what I'm always using, these tight stop losses. So I don't like to use high stop losses. I don't like to even get trades with 7R, which I took on Monday, so it was 9R, I guess. I'm not sure anymore. So it was only a 9-hour trade. Yeah, very small, but still very good, you know. So still I was happy with 9-hour profit at the end. Okay, looking at the 1 hour, so really looks for me from the 1 hour perspective as well, that price really would like to target here some levels, potentially even lower. I'm not sure if we will tap into this kind of support area or if it will go just below it and then price will go up higher. But what I know is the price definitely wants to target here something in this area and potentially something in this area. So that's my whole idea which I have for tomorrow. And I'm recording right now this video the day before you're watching it, during night. This is always how I'm doing my preparations. Then I wake up and I just need to put everything into action. That's kind of my theory, which I expect right now. So I will not follow the overall bearish trend, because it looks to me, I mean, yes, we could look for some short, you know, because price could go like this, and therefore we could look here somewhere for a short as well, or price will go up like higher and then I will look for a short. That's also possible. Okay, so I would say let's jump into the EURUSD chart. Yeah, EURUSD's really missed that one incredible movement of today, which would have been gaining me something like, again, 35R potential. But the thing is on the EURUSD is that price is a little bit different here, you know. So we already tapped into a very significant level of demand, but we have also here another one to the downside. So at the moment when price will break this one over here, close below this area, okay, so mark my words, we will close below it, price will go down like this. Of course, we could see something like this, but this will be definitely the target around that here, that zone. That's how I view it. Potential corrections on the euro will be right now from this level that it will go up, you know, till this one here. Overall, I see it going bullish here at some times. I'm not sure if it will be from this zone or if it will be from this zone, but overall I see it long term potentially to be super bullish. That's kind of my approach for the EURUSD market. But right now you can see prices ranging over here, stuck here. So let's go to the lower time frames to see further informations. Okay, now here I think everything is good. Price didn't broke anything significant to the upside, so we got still some level of resistance. Okay, this is how the majority is calling this. This is kind of the support. I like to call it supply and demand. Price is currently in a correction based on an impulsive movement to the upside. The question right now is, are we going to respect the zone to go up higher, or are we going to follow the overall bearish structure? That's a good question, to be honest. This is something which I'm currently also trying to figure out today. Let's go to the lower time frames to see something more. Now here in the lower time frames, it looks like, yes, price really gave us some impulsive corrective, and right now potential another impulsive movement to the upside. We already have enough liquidity from my point of view, so let's just minimize here some zones, put something like this. So look at this, price tapped into the zone, and from here potentially price will really go up higher here as well. I see here some trend line. I think that we will break one this as well, like on the GU. It's already a tired market, you know, and if it's a bullish market, then we will definitely break this, you know, at some point. So what we can expect here as well is price to drop lower and then to target it, or to go up higher and then to give us something like this, or to even drop lower. So you always have multiple options. So this is something which I cannot tell you what the price will really do. So I need to monitorize it by myself in the morning to see if the price will give me some additional confirmation. So usually I do not trade at night. I don't like this. I'm sleeping at night, obviously, but I also don't like to let my positions open overnight, you know. So what I do is always wake up and then I try to understand what the market gives me, and during the day to get involved in some trades, okay? Ideally in one winning trade, and if it will be a loser one, I will try to find another winning one, and at some point when I will get too much losses, then I'm done for the day and I will just try another pair, or another day, sorry. Okay, then GBPJPY. So also here I was looking already for a long position. I explained here also potential short position, but price was just way too bullish. I explained it on YouTube as well that yeah, we are here at some significant levels. You look at this, we tapped into the support level and price reacted to it pretty heavily. So I traded here some nice short setups already in the past. So when I say past, then it was last week, I guess. And now, oh sorry, no short, I traded a long. So I was involved into a quick long position. So also, if you're in a bearish market, you can take long position trades, because look at this, potential movements, and potential big movements. Now in this case, it looks like price is about to change, right? So price gave us a bullish movement. Now the question is, are we going to correct down deeply and then to give us another push up? Not sure about it, what it will really do at the end. What I know is there is something here and price could tap into it and bring the price all the way to the upside, or price would just use the new generated liquidity to bring it all the way to the downside to target here some zones more to the depth, because here we got something else which the price could like to do. So exactly here, these two scenarios is what I see for the GJ market. Okay, push down for another bullish movement. So here we can see here additionally something. So price kind of broke this trend line, which shows me that yes, this liquidity was already targeted and price could use this liquidity to bring it much more to the upside, but it doesn't mean necessarily that price will not drop down lower, you know. So potentially here we took this liquidity and price could drop down furthermore. Okay, then the last one will be USDJPY. So here I already mapped out this incredible supply zone. So price tapped in already previously, you know, so that was also a great trade where I was involved. Price took here a nice short, but then came all the way back up even higher. That was something which I was not expecting at that time. So I thought about price will just give us here bearish impulsive movement, correction, then bearish continuation, because overall my target for USDJPY shorts are here. Now what the price did is it generated more liquidity, gave us a huge drop to the downside. We kind of broke here this demand zone, peaked below, and right now we are on the move to the upside. But also there, guys, it's not necessary that we will push up too much. So we got here something, you know, and price doesn't need to break this level. So we could just peak above and then to drop down lower. That's an option. So what I see is currently this option, then to go here, or second option is price will just drop from here, or third option is we will go even higher. But this one is for me the unrealistic situation. This one is a very good one. This one is a very good one as well. But the third one, I'm not sure about it. I'm not sure about it that we will drop, that we will move that far to the upside. Yes, price created here something like an accumulation. Is a very nice ranging market, liquidity on both sides. So price likes to accumulate here some positions, and obviously it collected enough short positions in order for them to take longs. That's definitely true, but we don't know what kind of direction the price will really go at the end, you know. Could tap in here lower to push up higher. Of course, everything is possible. As long as we will not break below here, it's not 100% confirmed that we will just drop down here, you know. So when we close this, it looks like we will go very soon here into the depth of this zone. Okay guys, well that's actually my analysis for today. Hopefully you can take some advantage of it. If you are struggling with your trading, if you are looking for a great community who likes to take trades with very tight stop losses, big take profit, big risk rewards, then definitely check out the inner circle. So I will definitely educate you to the fullest. You got there my whole knowledge that I gained over 3 years. So, and I can tell you 3 years have been super hard until I figured out my strategy that I'm trading currently. And yeah, I welcome everybody to join it. The link is in the description, and hopefully to see you very soon in this video, and if in the channel, and if not, then we will see in the new YouTube video or on Instagram with a new post analysis and so on. Thank you guys for your attention. Wish you the best. Bye bye.